Hey guys, if you're planning your next adventure but cannot decide between Polarsteps and Roadtrippers, let's compare them. Polarsteps is perfect for documenting your journey. It automatically tracks your travels using GPS, so you get a beautiful map of your adventures without draining your battery. It's all about sharing your story, with options to add photos, notes, and stats. Polarsteps is ideal for travelers who love to look back on their trips and share memories with friends. On the other hand, Roadtrippers is your ultimate trip planning tool. It's great for finding hidden gems, scenic routes, and attractions along your journey. You can plot detailed itineraries, calculate travel times, and even budget your trip. Roadtrippers is perfect for road trip enthusiasts who love exploring new destinations and creating well-organized plans. So, which one is better? If you're about documenting and sharing your travels, go with Polarsteps. But if you're into planning epic road trips and discovering cool stops, Roadtrippers is your go-to. So do tell me in the comments below which one do you prefer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.